If you're watching this, chances are you've got exams coming up, and maybe you're feeling a little overwhelmed. But here's the thing. Even if you're short on time, there are still ways to make the most of your last-minute study sessions. In this video, you'll find the best tips to succeed in your exams, even at the last minute. These aren't your typical just review your notes tips. I'm talking about strategies that actually work, based on my own experiences and some surprising science-backed hacks. Let's dive in. Tip 1. Focus on the 80-20 rule. The idea is that 80% of your results come from 20% of your effort. So instead of trying to cram everything, focus on the most important topics. Look at past exams, check your syllabus, and identify the key concepts that are most likely to show up. Focus on the big picture. Tip 2. Use active recall. This is one of the most effective study techniques out there, and it's perfect for last-minute studying. Instead of passively reading your notes, test yourself. Ask questions like, what are the main points of this chapter? Or, how does this concept work? Close your book and try to explain the material out loud. Science shows that actively retrieving information strengthens your memory, so give it a try. Tip 3. Create a cheat sheet, even if you can't use it. Create a cheat sheet, even if you can't actually use it during the exam. Why? Because the process of condensing all the information into one page forces you to prioritize what's truly important. This action will help you remember much. Plus, you can use it as a quick review tool right before the exam. Tip 4. Take strategic breaks. Now, I know you're short on time, but hear me out. Taking breaks is crucial. Studies show that our brains can only focus for about 25 to 30 minutes at a time. During my toughest exam seasons, I used to push myself to study for hours without stopping, and guess what? I ended up exhausted and retaining almost nothing. Short, focused study sessions with breaks in between are way more effective. Tip 5. Leverage the power of visualization. Before your exam, take a few minutes to close your eyes and imagine yourself succeeding. Picture yourself walking into the exam room feeling confident, answering questions with ease, and walking out knowing you did your best. I know it sounds a bit woo-woo, but studies show that visualization can actually reduce anxiety and improve performance. Tip 6. Get your body ready. Last, but definitely not least, don't forget to take care of your body. Your brain needs fuel to perform at its best. Eat a healthy meal before your exam, stay hydrated, and if possible, get some light exercise. Even a 10-minute walk can boost your focus and energy. Remember, even if you're short on time, these tips can help you make the most of your last-minute study sessions. Exams can be stressful, but you've got this. Trust yourself, stay focused, and don't forget to take care of you. If you found these tips helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more. See you in the next video.